All right then, Billy.
All right, papi. See, papi, what?
Bro, why you following me? Oh yeah, I gotta do the how to be safe this summer video. Couple things you gotta know for maintenance is just make sure you get your oil changes, guys. For sure, some people do it at 5,000 miles, some people do it at 6,000 miles. Couple things you need to keep in your car just in case, because we want to be safe, you guys. This is what we call a jump box, just in case your battery goes out. It's jumper cables. Flashlight, never know. I got some gloves here. Also, I got an umbrella. Other things like a safety rectangle, a blanket maybe. You know, you need your spare tire, and also make sure you get your tires checked every once in a while also when you get that oil change. You can rotate them so then that way they wear evenly. You guys have a great day and be safe this summer.